Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to test the outlet thermostat on a GE dryer that only makes low heat. The outlet thermostat regulates temperature inside the dryer by controlling the heating element. Before we get started, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more repair guides like this one. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Now first, let's get our tools together. Today we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a hairdryer. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. To test the outlet thermostat or cycling thermostat, which is located on the blower housing, we need to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the top of the front panel, just behind the door. Now we're going to lift the top panel up just a bit so we can clear the console legs and pull it forward. We're going to remove the Phillips screws that are found at each back corner of the front panel. Once we've done that, we can lift the front panel up, rotate it to the side, and disconnect the door switch wires. Then we can set the front panel to the side. With that moved out of the way, we're going to reach under our drum, and we're going to disconnect the belt from the belt pulley. Once that is disconnected, we're going to go ahead and lift up on the belt and use it to assist in pulling the drum forward and out. Now we can set that to the side as well. Once we've accessed the outlet thermostat, we need to disconnect one of its wires. We need to keep our multimeter on continuity mode to test the thermostat while heating it with the hairdryer. The thermostat should only open after a few minutes of heating up. This specific thermostat opens up at 135 degrees. If there's continuity until it heats up to 135 degrees, then the thermostat is good and something else may be causing the problem. To put the dryer back together, let's double check to make sure the wires are all attached. When that's all set, we're going to install the drum and belt. This can be a little difficult, so make sure to get the belt firmly on the motor pulley. Then grab the front panel. We're going to connect the door switch wires and then set the front panel onto the dryer. We need to secure it with the screws we removed earlier. Now we're going to slide the top panel on the console legs, rotate the top panel down, and then secure it with the long Phillips screws we removed from behind the door. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. If your outlet thermostat is good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be causing your dryer to only produce low heat. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliances and make repairs. If your outlet thermostat is bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.